Hello class, I'm Santiago. This is the book Four Corners number 2, page number 10. Unit 1, Lesson C. Do you play sports? Okay, let's start. Uh, Activity number 1, Vocabulary, Sports and Exercise. A. These people are very active. Match the sentences and the pictures. Then listen and check your answer. Okay, so you have they bowl, ski, swim. They play baseball, golf, table tennis. They do gymnastics, karate, yoga. Okay, so match. Okay, that's enough. Let's listen for the answers.
Lesson C. Do you play sports? Page 10. Exercise 1. Vocabulary, sports, and exercise.
They bowl. E.
They ski. I.
They swim. G.
They play baseball. F.
They play golf. C.
They play table tennis. A.
They do gymnastics. D.
They do karate. B.
They do yoga. H.
Okay, so here are the answers. They bowl, they ski, swim, play baseball, play golf. Okay, I hope those are your answers too. Okay, so let's continue. B. Which sports and exercise in pair A do you do? Tell your, well, we can't tell our partner, but maybe you can write, I swim and play baseball, for example. Okay, you can write this in your notebook. Good. And activity number 2, conversation. As kids say, listen and practice. Okay, so let's listen to the conversation.
Page 10. Exercise 2. Conversation. A ski sale. Part A.
Can I help you?
Yes, thank you. I want something for my boyfriend. It's his birthday tomorrow.
Okay. What sports does he like? Does he play baseball?
No, he doesn't.
How about table tennis? You can play together.
No, we don't really like table tennis.
Well, does he ski?
Yes, he skis all the time. Do you sell skis?
Yes, we do. And there's a ski sale right now.
Great!
Okay, so what do you notice about these conversations? Yes, they are questions, answers, questions, answers. Okay, so let's move on. Activity number 3, grammar. Simple present. Okay, so you have WH questions and yes no questions. Remember last class? Yes, no, WH. Okay, so let's listen.
Page 11. Exercise 3. Grammar. Simple present.
What sports do you like?
I like golf and karate. I don't like basketball.
What sports does he play?
He plays soccer. He doesn't play baseball.
Where do they do yoga?
They do yoga at home. They don't do yoga in the park.
Do you sell skis?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Does he play baseball?
Yes, he does. No, he doesn't.
Do they like table tennis?
Yes, they do. No, they don't.
Okay, so let's remember simple present. Okay, something fast. Simple present. When do we use simple present? We use simple present to talk about fixed habits or routines, things that don't change. Okay, so we have affirmative form, that is subject plus verb plus complement. For example, I, you, we, or they play soccer, watch TV, study math, etc., etc. For example, I play soccer, you watch TV, they watch TV, we study math. Okay, this is just for I, you, we, they. Okay, the verb doesn't change, but we have the form that is with he, she, or it. We add an s to all verbs. Okay, for example, he runs every day. She plays soccer. It rides a horse. Okay, but we also have these forms, verbs ending in o, ch, s, double s, x, z. Okay, for example, watch, go, finish. We add es to the verbs. Okay, we have he watches TV, she goes to the movies, it finishes the homework. Okay, we also have verbs ending in consonant. That's why we add ies. For example, he studies math, she cries a lot, and it flies high. Okay, what is this? An eagle. Very good. So let's move on. Negative form. We have subject, done, verb, and complement. We use done with I, you, we, and they. Okay. I don't play soccer. You don't watch TV. We don't study math. They don't watch TV. Okay. So, and with he, she, we use doesn't. Okay. He doesn't play soccer. She doesn't watch TV. It doesn't study math. Okay. So, interrogative form. We have two type of questions. Remember, just know and WH. So let's start with just know. We use do in the same case as in the positive and negative form. Do I play soccer? Do you watch TV? Do we study math? Do they watch TV? Okay. Remember, do we, and you, we, they. Okay. And the answers, yes, I do. Yes, you do. Yes, we do. Yes, they do. If it's positive. If it's negative, no, I don't. No, you don't. No, we don't. No, they don't. Okay. We have does. The subject, verb, and complement. For example, does he play soccer? Does she watch TV? Does it study math? Remember, does is with he, she, and it. Okay. Answers the same. Yes, he does. Yes, she does. Yes, it does. Negative. No, he doesn't. No, she doesn't. No, he doesn't. And now we have WH questions. Remember, WH word, auxiliary, subject, verb, and complement that is optional. Remember, we use do, we, good, I, you, we, they. So, for example, what sports do you practice? Where do they play volleyball? What sports do you like? Remember, WH word, do, subject, verb, and complement is optional. Look, yeah. And we have WH questions with does. The same, but we use does when it's con he, she, or it. Excellent. What sports does he practice? Where does she play handball? What sports does he like? Okay, remember, complement is optional. Okay, so we have here activity A. Complete the paragraph with the simple present form of the verbs. Then compare. Okay, so let's read. Every year, over 1,000 men and women. Okay, what is the form? Compete. Very good. In Hawaii, I don't want triathlon. A triathlon, what's the form? Good. Has. Has three parts, but it, what is the form? Negative. Not have. Doesn't have three winners. Okay, so, okay, good. The person with the best time of three racers, what is the form? Wins. Very good. They, the form is swim. Very good. For three, the 86 kilometers. What is the form? Bike for 180 kilometers. And then run. Okay. The winner, what is the form? Gex. Excellent. So let's move on to activity B. Put the words in order, then ask and answer the questions. Okay? Answer with your own information. For example, here, what's the answer? Do you play soccer on the weekend? Do you play soccer on the weekend? Okay. So you write here the questions, and in your notebook, you write the question and the answer. Okay. Number two, what sports does your family like? Okay, so the same. Questions, and in your notebook, question and answer. Good. Number three, remember WH word. Where does your best friend exercise? The same. Question, and in your notebook, question and answer. Good. Number four. Good. Do your friends go on the weekend? The same thing. Question and answer in your notebook, and here questions. Okay. So activity number four. Speaking. Do you? Complete the questions in the chart. and then interview your partner. Okay. So, for example, here, do you play sport on the weekend? If the answer is yes, you can ask, what sports do you play? If the answer is no, you can ask, what do you do on the weekend? Okay? The same thing here. Do you watch sports on TV? Yes, you have to put a question. What sports do you watch, for example? No. Uh, what do you do or what do you watch on TV? Okay, here is on TV. Number three, do you exercise in the morning? Yes. What um, what kind of exercise you do? No. When do you exercise, for example? Good. Activity B, tell another classmate about your partner answers. Okay, I want you here to interview one member of your family and write it on your notebook. Okay, so in your notebook, you have to do this activity B, the questions and answers, and this activity, questions and answers. Okay, so your homework. Your homework will be the workbook, page number 5. Okay, you have to do this. Let's see. Label each picture with the correct word from the box. Okay, we have here, for example, gymnastics, Monday and Wednesday, 2 p.m. Okay, we have here one of these words, two. Okay, the same thing. Okay, you have to complete this. And number 2, complete the sentences with the words from exercise 1. Use play or do when necessary. Okay, for example, here, you can do gymnastics on Monday and Wednesday at 2 p.m. Okay, look, it says gymnastics Monday and Wednesday at 2 p.m. You have Monday and Wednesday, 2 p.m. gymnastics. Okay, you can do gymnastics. Okay, the same thing. You can Wednesday at 1 and 4:30 p.m. Reset this. Okay, you have to complete this, and with this, you complete this. Okay, that's all for today. Any doubt, you can write me and leave a comment or send me a message. Okay, that's all for today, guys. See you then.